everybody, Pandi here. Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, we're already chat family, welcome back. Okay, so as you know from the short commercial that was released, as well as the thumbnail pic, I am coming through with another wig review. This one is going to be from Model. It is their nude air lace front wig, 100% human hair, Emilia. It is in the style Emilia. The color is natural, which is going to be your 1B or off black. So again, welcome. And thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoy the commentary in the video, please take a moment to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you really enjoy it, go ahead and blow dry on my like button. It greatly helps me out here on YouTube. Right now, I'm just trying to get this wig out of the pack. I will probably be recording this video in clips because it is a human hair unit, so that does take a little bit of preparation. So I'll probably do one part and then two parts. Yeah, I think I'll do that because it's going to take me about a day or two to get it fully prepared. So right out of the pack, that is the stock card. So as you can see, it's kind of like, it's a short natural length. It's just a wavy bob. You can wear it either dry and poofy like that, or you can apply some product and get some nice curls popping, which is probably what I'm gonna do with some baby hair and everything. So the stock card says nude model air lace front hair wig, 100% human hair, in the style Emilia. It is in the color natural. It is safe to color, perm, or bleach. Now by perm, I think they mean perm as in like Caucasians, they do the perm rods, that kind of perm. Not the same as African American. When we use the term perm, we're typically talking about relaxer. That's not what they mean. But again, this is a curly haired wig, so there will be no need for that. On the back of the card, you will have your care instructions. I did get this particular unit from Glamour Tress. It was on sale for $42 and some change, so under 50 bucks. As you can see, the human hair units are definitely going down in price. Ooh, I'm liking that deep wave. So right out of the pack, I'm already seeing what I am looking for. I can already tell that I am going to like the unit. So right now, I'm just unboxing, pulling all of the remnants out of the package, and taking a look-see. So I can definitely see some pros and some cons. This cap seems very small, but there ain't a wig cap that Pandi ain't gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna stretch this puppy. If I got to braid my braids down smaller, we gonna make it fit. Now, the other thing that I'm seeing that I don't really care for is this. I'm going to take this and just stick it under there so that you all can see the parting space better, I'm just placing that white thing, that foam, so you can see how deep the part goes back. Because I don't know where these women get off at with these wigs in these non-existent part space. You should have a part that is visible to the eye. That's the only way your wig is going to appear natural. So a lot of times you can do that with a nude cap, but me even looking at it, I can see that I'm going to go in there and pluck some of the hairs out, because that part is very dense. It's just not quite wide enough. It's not very natural looking. Also, I'm looking at the hairline. The hairline is very dense. It's like way too much hair. It looks very wiggy. So I am going to also pluck hairs from around that hairline. You don't just throw a human hair wig on. You got to get it right. So yeah, this is going to be a 2-part project. So I will upload this part, just the initial. Oh, I'm knocking stuff over. Just the initial unboxing, so we can kind of get a look-see at what we're working with here. Okay, so it is pretty. I love the length. I love the cut. It's like a nice little bob. It's very cute. I like the style. Y'all know this is me all day. I love a bob. It fits me. It fits my lifestyle. It fits my face. Frames my face well. I don't look good in hair that is too long or hair that is too short. Like, this is the perfect length. And it's very full. Now, yeah, I'll just go in and tweeze some of the hairs around the hairline, because I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is very, very wiggy. Okay, so if I ever wanted to wear this off my forehead, it's not gonna look natural with it being that dense. So I can already see what I need to go in here and do. But I can definitely see that this is gonna be a good wig for the fall. Look at those beautiful curls. And look at that inverted bob cut. It looks like it's probably maybe a good 6 to 8 inches. With shorter pieces down in here. So they did a nice job on the inverted bob cut. It is asymmetric. On the sides it's a little longer, and it graduates up into this nice inverted bob. So that's going to be very pretty, especially once I put some curling cream and a little mousse on there. Tweeze the hairline and tweeze the part. This is going to be gorgeous. So, right out of the box, this is not necessarily going to be a beginner-friendly wig. However, if you are an experienced wiggy like myself, this is a good deal. It's under $100 for one. It's 100% human hair. It's good density. I would say the density on here is probably about 130 to 150%. You can definitely straighten this hair and flat iron it. You can color this hair. You can bleach this hair. Me personally, I won't do all of that, but if I decide I want to ever throw some highlights in it, I know that I can do that. It's under 50 bucks. Like I said, I think it was $42 and some change, like $42.94. Plus they had the shipping deal where anything $29.99 and over was $2.99. And since I always order at least 2 wigs at a time, I got both this unit and this unit for like, I know it was under $70, which one human hair unit from most of these sites can run you $70 and up. Okay, so definitely a good deal. I am looking forward to it, you all. Again, this is the model Emilia 100% air lace front wig, 100% human hair unit. I have never tried this particular brand from Model. However, I'm very familiar with Model. When I first started wearing wigs, I bought a lot of Model wigs. So, but those were their synthetic units. I've never tried any of their human hair units, so I am very eager to get this going. So what I will do is get her shampooed and then apply it back to the mannequin head, let it air dry overnight, and then I will come back and revisit it probably on tomorrow to go through and tweeze the hairline, tweeze the parting space, apply my product, style it, and then come back on with the finished results and my final thoughts so you guys can see what it do. Thank you again for taking a moment to click on this video, y'all. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If you have not done so already, please do not hesitate to blow dry on that like button on your way out. And if you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like this, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99 after all. It didn't cost you anything. Until next time, you all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.